Hi, this is Scott Reynolds from Thrize, and the purpose of this video is to explain the Sign Up and Sign In modules now available in the PlatformOS marketplace. Now, to find the marketplace, head over to your partner portal, and on the left-hand side, click on Modules, Marketplace. That'll bring you to the list of all the modules. Now, currently there are only 4 modules, but that's because the marketplace is brand new. Expect more coming very soon. Now, the two we are going to focus on are Sign Up and Sign In. Now, in the right-hand column, if you haven't already purchased the modules, there will be a buy link. Click that to have it available for all of your instances. Now, even though it says buy, it doesn't actually cost anything. Both of these modules are available for free. Now, you can install these modules into your existing projects or create a new instance. When using the module for the first time, I highly recommend creating a temporary instance. It's just such a quick process, there's no reason not to do it. So I'm going to create an instance. So let's go over to Create Instance. Let's call it something easy like Module Test. And let's do staging and unbuild and create. All right, it says that we should check our email in a few minutes, but it's likely already here. So you can see it, module test. Okay, and so this is our instance. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see all of the available modules and that no installed modules are here yet. And so the reason why I see these 3 is because out of the 4 in the marketplace, I've already purchased, if you will, these 3 modules. So if you only did sign up and sign in, you'd only see these 2 here. So all I'm going to do is click install and then confirm. And let's scroll down and install the other one. Hit OK. It says check your email in a few minutes to check if there are any errors. Right now, there are no emails, at least not from me. Maybe that's something that will change. So don't worry if you don't receive the email. So now let's go to our instance. And the first one we're going to look at is Sign Up. So just do a /sign up. And this is where we can sign up a user. So now if I try to put my email address in here and sign this up as a user, I actually get an error. And it says, please try again with a unique email address. And you may be thinking, well, this is the first one I put in. How could it not be unique? And it's actually because when you create a new instance, whatever email address you have associated to your partner portal is already a user. So according to PlatformOS, this is already a user. So just put your testing email or a different email in there and it should work. All right, the admin was created. Uninstall this module from your partner portal to avoid others from creating new users. So yeah, if you don't want to create any more users, then you can just uninstall this module and that way no one else can use it. Or if you want, now that you have these files, you can go into the files and change this if you'd like, so nobody else will be able to use it. Okay, so now we have a sign up. If we have a user, let's go into sign in. So I'm going to put my email address, and just for fun, I'm just going to try it with the wrong password. And of course, it says it has to be at least 6 characters. So let's just put some extra characters in there just to see what will happen. And we get an error, so that's good. So I'm going to put the correct password in and click sign in. And we are brought to this landing page. Now, the reason why the landing page isn't styled or doesn't look good or anything like that is because this actually is not going to be the landing page you want it to go to. If you do have a sign in and you're going to be using it in a production application, you probably have a landing page all set up. So I'm going to show you this in a little bit, how you can actually change the landing page for the sign in, or you could just put in a redirect. So if in PlatformOS, you can put redirects on pages. So you can always redirect to another one if you want to do that. I put a link to the documentation to show you how to do that. You can also update colors and copy and change the email and do all kinds of other things, including deleting this page. And I'll show you that in a minute, but I wanted to take a look at just the other features that come with this. So there's also a way to recover emails. So if you go to the forgot your password and you put in your password, we send reset link. It says your password reset link has been emailed, but it actually hasn't. And the reason why is this is a staging instance. And what that means is that you have to actually put in a test email. So the way to do that is go into the instance and configure, and then switch to edit mode and go down to test email, and then put in quotes the testing email that you want to use. I'm just going to click update instance configuration. I'm going to go back. Let's try this again. Forgot password. And your password reset link has been emailed. And in this case, it probably has. So I'm going to go check. It has. So it's very plain, and you can actually configure this once you have the files. And all the user has to do is hit reset link. This brings you to a place where you can change your password. And now I'm going to try it with, well, let's try it with the old password just to make sure it works. And it says incorrect. And that's because I just reset it to another password. So I just put the correct password in, sign in, and here we go. So everything is working right out of the box. Now the question is, how do we change the content here? So what we're going to do is we're going to change some of the settings. Now this module, the SignIn, comes with some settings that you can automatically change. And I've already set this up. So if I make a change here, it syncs and it automatically updates to the page just to make it a little faster. But let's say we want to change some colors. So here we have colors. The toolbar is this primary blue, and the button is also primary blue. If we wanted to change that, we could come down to the theme and we can take a look here. And let's say we want our button to be a green color. So let's go put button success and refresh. And now it's green. And you can experiment with the different colors here, or you could change it. So let's say the secondary color was actually black. And let's go make the toolbar that color. And so now it's this dark color. So really easy to change colors, but we can always change the content for both the sign in, the forgot password, which is the recover page, and also when someone gets sent a link to reset their password, that is in the reset area. So let's go to the sign in, and let's just change the button from sign in to, let's say, log in. And at the top it says sign into your account. So let's say log into your account. So let's save that and make changes. So as you can see, it's really easy to install modules from the PlatformOS marketplace. And as time goes on, I think you're going to start seeing loads and loads of modules being added to the marketplace to make your life easier. And it's not just about installing other developers' modules. It's also about having your own. By just setting up your site using modules, I think it's going to move the platform forward. Okay, so feel free to use the sign up and sign in. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.